Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 Mercedes ML Class W164 chassis, and I've got a problem that a warning has come up on the dashboard saying that my license plate bulbs are blown. So as you can see, I have the warning saying my license plate lamp left has blown and right has blown. So let's get into it. Let's fix this problem. So to solve the problem, I've bought a couple of 12 volt 5 watt automotive globes, 11 by 36 mil, and we're going to swap those in today. Now, the license plate lamps are located underneath this strip right here and here. In all honesty, probably both are not blown. They're probably wired in series, but since one has clearly blown, we're going to swap both of these out today. So we'll start with the right hand side. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver to undo the screws holding that lamp in. Now I have deliberately chosen to go with traditional filament bulbs because that's what will be in this car here, and not to go with LED bulbs. There was an LED bulb at the automotive store, but the reason I didn't go with the LED bulb was the car detects the current, and I just wasn't sure if that's going to cause a problem, because at the end of the day what I'm actually wanting to do is to get rid of the warning symbol as well. With those two screws out, just get a flat screwdriver and pop that lamp down. There you can see the bulb has come out. Now if we look at this bulb, we can see it's actually quite dark in colour. So I suspect that's blown. We're going to swap both the right and left anyway, as I said. Alright, so we simply take our old bulb out of the holder, like that. And then we grab a new bulb out of the packet and pop that in the holder. So it really is that simple. So we've got our new bulb there. We're going to pop that back in. So put that in, simply just push it up till it clicks like that, and pop those screws back in. It's really not difficult. It's something that everybody's capable of doing themselves. There really is no reason at all to go to your mechanic to get this done. Alright, and then we move on to the one on the left. Those number plate lights swapped, we'll just start the car. And see if we get that error warning again. So as you can see, the headlights have come on automatically and we don't have that warning. So that's excellent. So there you go folks, that's how to swap your license plate lamps and to remove that error from your warning cluster, but importantly have license plate lamps that work correctly. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.